On today's episode of Watch Chair Go, we buy a Prius. Wait, what are we? That's not a very car guy thing to do, is it?
No, it's cool.
Oh, okay.
It's totally cool.
All right, I guess it's cool.
I think.
What is going on, guys? I'm Watch Chair Go, and today we are here at Firestone in Wichita because a Prius was on Facebook Marketplace, and the Ranger, of course, left this morning. I listed it, and I had PayPal like 15 seconds later. It was crazy. I'll PayPal you right now if I can come get that. I was like, sure. And then Josh said, oh, look, a Prius. And I think he was trying to be funny. And I was like, yeah, I saw that. I'd kind of have fun working on that too. The ad says it needs an engine. And it looks okay. It's sitting right over there. We just showed up, and the guy said $1,500, and then another guy said he was bringing $800, so we brought $1,000. Outbid that guy.
Boom.
Boom.
$1, Bob. $1.
So we're waiting 2 more minutes, and the guy should be here. The owner should be here. We're gonna check it out, see what's up with it.
So it said needs engine, but then it also said has
new
1-year-old OEM battery,
and that.
That probably costs as much as he's asking for the car, probably twice as much.
Absolutely, yeah. Prius batteries, first, it's kind of a known thing that you'll have to work on them and cells will fail over time. And a brand new OEM one is pretty crazy. Right. So not reconditioned.
I hate to admit it, but I've been kind of looking for one for a while.
For a gas saver?
Yeah, to reduce my carbon footprint.
Right, exactly. I get it. Yeah.
I get it gets like 12 miles to the gallon. You're right. It would be nice to have a nice driver.
Just one car that gets 50 miles a gallon would be cool.
The scary part is I don't want to put a battery in every single one. He's fine, needs a battery.
Yep.
It will very soon.
Or some cells.
The ones I can afford anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I assume Tyler got a hold of this. It's the only thing that came to mind. The engines don't fail often, so it must have been nitrous.
It had to have nitrous.
He hit it with that whole 50 shot.
Look for that button when we're looking it over. Look under the consoles and.
This is a Hoovie's garage find. It seems like he's been messing with it.
Got that sneaky Pete 50 shot on there somewhere.
He does. All right, let's go check this car out. It's sitting right over there. I bet this thing drives, though. That's what's funny, is like it's here at Firestone, which means they were probably inspecting it.
Sent it through a rod in the ad.
Through a rod or not, like it's here at a tire shop. And how did they get it here? Maybe they dropped it off a tow truck.
Let's have some hail.
And it looks like it may need a 12-volt battery. Should be kind of weird, but. All the windows are cracked.
Looks like somebody climbed onto the hood, or the roof.
Yeah, it's covered in hail.
It's been repainted at least once.
And there's like something going on there. Pretty crazy.
Definitely had a respray on that side of the car.
Yep. Orange peel's crazy over here. I like all the bumper stickers.
I know.
This is a good one. Let's try it out.
I'll be able to just push and hold.
Nope. It is completely seized.
Oh, you mean the electric?
Yeah, it tried to start. We're here at Firestone, and Alex here just yelled at me out of the bay. Never met before, but he was like, love the channel. And I was like, hey, what's going on? So now we're over here talking about cars that aren't Priuses. And he drives this Corvair, which is such a crazy car. Obviously, like, when this car came out, everyone was scared to death of them because the gas tank's in the front. And I always thought it looked cool. My parents were like, you'll never get one of those. I should buy one now.
You should.
I should definitely get one now.
The market's good on them.
So what a crazy cooling fan. So you guys see the belt comes off this crank pulley here, goes over the alternator, over an idler, and picks up that fan right there. It's such a cool old car. Man, I love this thing. And you got it all cleaned out too. You got all the junk stripped off it, and it's just a runner, it looks like.
Yep.
Taylor wires. Sweet car, dude.
That's the daily drip.
Thanks for watching the channel.
Yeah.
It's freaking cool. All right, this is actually Josh's car now. It's gonna be his daily, I guess.
Maybe.
Oh man, it smells weird in here.
It smells a little funky.
A little funky. I hope this thing drives. It all lights right up. The 12-volt battery's good. Oh, it tried to start?
You can hear it try.
It says maintenance required. Oh, there should be a big X over the engine on screen. Wouldn't that be perfect?
That would be hilarious. So how do I get into battery mode?
So it's always in battery mode. You're just gonna have to hope. Foot on the brake, drive. Okay, it's angry. Hey, it works though.
It's a golf cart.
The golf cart runs. Something sounds cool over there. Hopefully the golf cart can drive on the trailer so we don't have to use the come along. It's angry?
That's it.
Oh, there's gotta be a little bit more. He has to reboot the car to move it every time. It'll only go like this far. You got it. Oop. Hold on, back up just a little bit. Maybe back up and hit it again. I'll stand here. Yes! It did it! Yes! I believed in you, Prius. I love how the cooling fan just came on. Like, yeah, I'm overheating from that little drive there. Cool.
Am I centered?
Yeah, I think you're perfect, actually.
Yeah, I saw the truck go down a little bit. Seemed like we had weight on the tongue.
Yep, I'd say the tongue's perfect. Look, you have one of the special Prius wheel things and one's missing. No Prius thing. Special Prius thing.
Say what?
Elliot was just talking about those things.
What?
You got gypped, dude.
I did.
Your fuel efficiency is gonna go way down now.
Dude, that's at least 1%.
Yeah, those probably cost like $6. You're also missing the tow hook thing.
I was gonna put some 20s on it probably anyway.
All right, cool, man.
Some rubber band.
Rubber band, man. Okay, the owner filled us in on a couple things. He said the hybrid battery is actually brand new from the dealership. He didn't know you could get the reconditioned packs and spent $1,800 on this pack last spring. So it has a very, very nice battery in it. Obviously, we got it to drive onto the trailer. We've got it strapped down. Now, it's time for us to go get some lunch. Pretty cheap Prius, $900. Once it's fixed, it's probably worth like $4,000, so good deal any day of the week. You excited about your new car?
Yes.
Everything you've always wanted.
Never thought I'd be excited about a Prius.
Oh man, what a mess. You're gonna have the Trailblazer engine back in, and it's gonna be crazy fast, and you'll have your new Prius all at the same time.
Which one do you think I'll drive more?
The Prius.
You think so?
I mean, I drive my Volt daily. I love my Volt, so.
I kind of thought it'd be a fun troll to like get it and put some funny bumper stickers on it.
Put SS badges on it to match the Trailblazer. Pull off the hybrid synergy drive.
Yes, put the Corvette
Genius.
flags on the...
Oh man, you should put the Corvette flags on it. The C7 ones too.
That's pretty awesome. But in all actuality, like, it's a responsible move.
Yeah. It's not
50 to the
not a bad
gallon?
plan. Yeah. You gotta have one beater that's really efficient.
Right.
And honestly, it's really nice when they're electric because then there's no noise and you can just talk to your friends.
Right.
So then we are in this truck out here being hoonigans with its monster exhaust. Listen to this thing. It pulls a trailer really well. And now we're at Josh's with the Prius. Man, it's gonna need some headlight cleaning. I guess this is gonna be his daily. It's gonna be a keeper for a little while. So, time to get this thing unstrapped and pull it off the trailer. And we're gonna need to get an engine in it fast because you don't wanna let these high voltage batteries sit discharged, and we keep driving it on the high voltage battery because we have to. I'm gonna unstrap it real quick, get the straps off, we'll back it off the trailer. Now we have Josh's 06 Prius back here in front of the garage. It's funny, we just finished up this patio. If you guys remember in older videos, this was just like a dirt pit. Now it's full of sand with pavers, and it turns out it's a perfect parking spot. So, we have the very dead engine. Alex from Firestone told me that there's a hole in the block, which we haven't seen yet, but it seems like it's got some extra windows. So we haven't really done much of an inspection, but I kind of believe it when those guys say they got under it and there's a hole there. Extra access hole. So it looks like this thing's gonna need an engine as we expected. And Josh found the tow hook, which is cool. You making a to-do list here?
Yeah.
Parts run to O'Reilly's?
Yeah.
Huh.
Just the easy stuff so far. Intake gasket, oil, filter, coolant.
Stuff we'll need to do a swap. We better get an engine. Well, it's time to figure out where we're gonna get an engine. And let's take a look in the car real fast so you guys can actually check it out a little bit. First of all, that is dirty. Look at that. That's gonna need some cleaning. An accessory belt?
Might as well.
Isn't there? There's probably nothing on the accessory belt because it has electric power steering.
It looks like a nightmare to get to it.
So just do it because?
Yeah, if it's cheap enough.
I'm with it. Never used this Prius key. I've never actually driven. Maybe I've driven a first gen Prius or something, second gen. I don't know. Check that out. That is a ton of money in a playing card. Cut an aux in, 12 volts, really cool cup holder, flips open. Key's kind of cool. So there's really not much to this car. We just learned that that's a touchscreen. That's kind of cool. We've just been kind of playing with the car, taking a look around, seeing what's up, what the story is with the Prius action. This is new to us, you know, as car guys. Priuses are kind of a foreign thing. I'm just kidding. But it's a good car, obviously. It's a Toyota. So oil change, like we said, 1/1 of this year. It only has like 2,000 miles on the oil change. Tires brand new. They're date coded the end of 19. So that's awesome. Firestone tires, 65,000 mile warranty on those. New battery, like we said. I think Josh got a smoking deal, $900 for this car. I mean, it was probably almost 900 in tires. We know it was double that for the battery. So, an engine. The question is, what's an engine gonna cost for a Prius? We don't know. Never looked into that, but typically engines cost $1,000, so we'll see. Josh can probably be into a good running Prius here as a daily for $1,900, which would be a smoking deal with new tires and all this good stuff. So there you have it. A super, super, super cheap, the budget Prius. And honestly, pretty clean for what it is. Lots of bumper stickers that need to go away. That's on the list. Check out the bumper stickers there. We've got this one. This is a good one. The Bluegrass Festival in Winfield. And we have this mandolin sticker, which is kind of a strange one. Never seen that before.
A little different.
Gotta have some political sticker because it's a Prius. There's no way to own a Prius without political stickers, you know. It's in the manual. That's gotta go. Proud parent, co-college, Dallas Cowboys action. Pretty funny. And yeah. Golf balls. Check that out. Pillows. What else do you have in here?
Curious to know if it has a spare tire that lives in here. It's got tools for tires.
It appears there is no spare unless there's more under this. But that's, oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Full-size spare, jack, everything. Cool. What else do you have in here? Is that like dog treats over there? Is that what's going on?
Those are like Band-Aids?
Is that a dog leash? Tie-down belt. And a sort of first aid kit. Huh. Cool.
It's even got the storage cover.
What's funny is since I didn't buy this car, the lift struts work perfectly. You can see they're blowing out. But if it would have been mine, I mean, I'll do this and it'll fall down on you.
Yeah, I don't want you to mess with it.
I don't need you
It's your bad juju.
screwing up my car here. Nice. Oh man, that's fully optioned.
Incognito.
I like it. Wow, those work really well. I think that's all we have to say about this car so far. I mean, it's dirty, needs some cleaning. Could use the e-brake handle there. Gas door opens. This is broken, but it's not really broken because it just snaps in right there. Okay, fixed that problem.
Fixed it.
Man, it's almost fixed already. Just needs to run and drive. So we've obviously never worked on a Prius before, or pulled an engine out of one, or figured out what we need to do about the high voltage side. Found a bunch of food down in there.
Dibs.
Man, you look comfy back there.
I'm surprised at the amount of room.
That thing's huge.
Because there's plenty of room in the front seat, so I thought you'd be compromising back here. But
Looks good. I like it.
The headspace is a little short. But.
Yeah. So like I said, we got to figure out what our game plan is here and what you have to do if you have to get an engine in and out, if we have to disconnect any hybrid circuitry or anything like that. We're going to go do some research, find an engine, and then we'll get back on this thing. Hopefully it doesn't take too long to get the engine swapped and this thing back on the road. If it's a one day, that would be ideal. In and out, a couple hours, be sweet. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching Josh's daily driver build real fast. Is it a build if we're swapping the engine? I think so. That's enough bolts to count as a build.
I think so.
And don't forget to head on over to shopwatchjericho.com where you can get cool shirts like this. And please, like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. We do need to solve this problem, which is that stuff's coming off, but need a detailer to come. It feels like foam.
Yeah.
What is this stuff? It does chip off of there. That's going to take a little work. It's not taking the clear with it or anything, so that's good.
Some in the front too.
You got a bunch of this. It's almost like white bathroom ceiling caulk, you know? That's kind of what it seems like it is. Maybe they hit a tube of it on the road and it exploded.
It is coming off.
Yep.
It protected the paint pretty well.
It's super nice underneath. A lot of typical Prius things on here. This has hit like a wall many times. It's all the way down to the plastic. The other side's all scratched up. The dew strips there are toast. This plastic's toast. That might clean up with back to black, so that's cool. And the headlights need polished out. It's a driver. You don't have to worry about any of these things. Look at this. It's all the way down to the plastic again.
What?
I'm blown away. I'm not even mad. I'm impressed. All right, we've been waiting a little while for this. I just got the call that a bunch of parts are here for the truck. I think it's still missing one more part, but I'm excited to be here picking up more parts at the O'Reilly's. We got one box. The rest of the boxes aren't here yet. It's one piece that we needed and the toolbox catalog, which has the prices for all the tire machines and stuff, which is something I've always wanted.